How to use Pexels to find copyright-free images. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will discuss about Pexels and how to actually get started using it to find the photos that we need. And if you don't know, Pexels is pretty much a website that is going to provide you with tons and tons of stock photos and also videos that you can actually go ahead and start using for free. So just go ahead and visit pexels.com, and in here we can actually go ahead and get started. Now I highly suggest that you actually create an account from the join button on the top right here. So just go ahead and click on join, and then from here you would want to select whether you are going to be downloading content or you're actually going to share photos and videos of your own. We are just going to be downloading content, so just go ahead and click on that, and then I'm just going to continue with Google here. Click on continue, and we pretty much just created an account. You just need to fill in more stuff here about yourself. So I'm just going to continue on with this, and I will get back to you. Okay, great. So now that we have created an account, I just want to note one more thing is yes, they are actually free to use. All the images and videos are free to use. However, you will need to click on the license on the top right, and you can see what is allowed and what is not. For example, here, what is allowed: all photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not even required, but it is appreciated, you could say. But you can also modify the photos and videos from Pexels. But what is not allowed is something that it is very important to keep note of and make sure that you don't break the rules here. You can actually see some of the things here. For example, don't sell unaltered copies of videos or photos as a poster print or so on. And there's these few rules here. So just make sure you follow these rules, and then you're pretty much good to go. You can use all the photos and videos in Pexels. So how do we actually find what we need? Just go ahead and visit pexels.com. And once we select photos here, we have two options, whether photos or videos. We can actually simply go ahead and search for whatever we want. So we can just go ahead and search for waterfalls, for example. And then if we just hit enter, we should find plenty of waterfalls images or waterfall images here. And we can also filter between photos, videos, and also users if you would like. And then we can just go to filters here, which is something that is very important. And we can just go to all orientations and make it actually horizontal or vertical. For example, if we just go horizontal, we will find only horizontal pictures of waterfalls. Same goes for vertical if you want. And we can also have square ones. Now here we also have the sizes, so we have large, medium, or small. And if you want a color background, or sort of a reddish color image, you can just filter between those in here. Now let's say you actually found an image that you actually like. You have a few options here, so let's say that it's this one. We can just go ahead and click on collect to save it in our profile, so we can just find it later on quickly, or we can actually just like it. Alternatively, what we can do is just go ahead and click on it, where we can actually view more about it. We can actually read more, and we can actually see the person who is the photographer, and we can actually follow and donate to them. And then we can just click on free download here, which is just going to initiate the download for us. And if we click on the right arrow here next to free download, we can actually choose the size that we want to download it in. And pretty much we are set. We can now use this image for free, obviously following the rules. And we can see here just to make sure we have free to use. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.